Those who can, is it possible to simplify? Try to simplify and get the answer. Remaining, it is if they are finding it difficult, I will solve for them. Okay. So those who are ready, those who have understood, those who are ready for the examination, start solving this example. Okay, and just correct the means tally the answers what I'm getting. So
Actually,
I'm going to yes, yes.
so the dy by dx is equal to x plus mod of root y, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay.
It is dy by dx is equal to x plus mod of root y. So I'll just read the question now. So example 2, what we have, obtain the solution using Euler's modified method for the equation dy by dx is equal to x plus mod of root y with y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0, find y 0.2 and y 0.4. So they here they have two. Remember, we have to simplify for two values. So we'll start one by one. Okay. So step one. So there are two.
Sir,
So
H
we'll go
value.
with the first. Yes. H value they have given already. So initial value, their interval they have given it as 0.2. You can take H is equal to 0.2 for first one. Yes. Okay. So we'll go for Euler's formula. So please once again write the Euler's formula again. Y1 raised to 0 is equal to y naught plus h f of x naught comma y naught. So simplify one by one. So we'll just simplify y naught plus h. F of x naught y naught is nothing but x naught plus modulus of square root y naught. So substitute all the values, students. So one by one you can see y naught is nothing but 1 and h is nothing but 0.2. X naught is 0 and y naught is 1. So I think everybody must get like this 1 plus 0.2 into 0 plus modulus of square root 1, which is equal to 1.2, students. So this is by using Euler's formula. Previous class we have done. So next we are going to have the modified Euler's formula, that is y1 raised to 1 is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 in the bracket f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 raised to 0, students. So remember this formula. I am repeating again and again for your sake. So you also repeat this formula so that you remember it perfectly in the examination. So substitute the values, students. Y naught is 1, h is 0.2, and then x naught is 0 and y naught is modulus of square root 1. X1 is 0.2. Yes, here x1 is also 0.2 and y1 raised to naught we have already calculated, it is 1.2. So when you substitute, we get this equation like this. I think everyone got the equation. You have written this equation like this. So remember 0 square root of 1.2 in the previous value we have calculated the approximation. So when you calculate in the calculator, we get 1.2295. So I will just show you that how we have simplified this f of x naught comma y naught. If you are getting confused, I will repeat this. So x naught plus it is modulus of square root y naught, which is equal to x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. When you simplify, we get the value as 1 only. So we can, this will be easy to calculate in the calculator. And next f of x1 comma y1 raised to 0. So what will be y1 raised to 0? It is 1.2. So substitute the values. So this equation, this function is going to become x1 plus modulus of square root y1 raised to 0. So just for your sake, I am repeating, I am simplifying this in a simple way. So this is going to become 0.2 plus modulus of square root 1.2. So like this, you have to simplify these functions. So the next we are going to go for y1 raised to 2. So please write the formula again. It is equal to y naught plus h upon 2 in the bracket f of x naught comma y naught plus f of x1 comma y1 raised to 1. y1 raised to 1 previous approximations. Remember this. This value is always changing. y1 raised to 1. So substitute the values. It is 1 plus 0.2 upon 2 in the bracket. So f of x naught y naught already we have solved. It is 0 plus modulus of square root 1 plus it is 0.2 plus modulus of square root 1.2295. So where this 1.2295 came from? Previous approximations. Remaining terms remain same. All these terms will remain same, only y1 raised to 1 will come from the previous example, that is 1.2295. So when you simplify in the calculator, direct value will get, it is 1.2309 students. So this is how you have to simplify it. Very simple and very quickly you have to simplify. We'll go to the next approximation. Y1 raised to 3 is equal to y0 plus h upon 2 in the bracket f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 raised to 2. Now y1 raised to 2 is from the previous approximation you are going to simplify. I think you are perfect with now. You modified Euler's method. Very good, student. Now substitute the values one by one. Y0 is 1. So 1 plus 0.2 divided by 2 in the bracket 0 plus modulus of square root 1 close the bracket plus 0.2 plus modulus of square root 1.2295 students. So after substituting we get this equation which is equal to 1.2309 students. So you can see the roots are repeating. Yes, when the approximations are repeating, then we conclude that this we get the modified approximate values, that is y of 0.2 is equal to 1.2309 students. So like this, it is easy to calculate for y of 0.4. I have given another one, so please you can do it, y of 0.4. So just repeat, those who have not understood, I will just repeat this once again quickly. Within 2 minutes I will repeat this. Obtain the solution using Euler's modified method for the equation dy by dx is equal to x plus square root modulus of square root y, with y is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0. Find y 0.2 and y 0.4. So I have calculated for y 0.2. Please you can try it at home. Y 0.4. So you can just change 0.2 wherever 0.2 we have taken in initially, just change it for 0.4 and you can try it, students, now. Okay, so step 1 I will repeat. X0 you know 0, y0 we get 1, f of xy is nothing but y plus square root modulus of square root y, and h they have given 0.2. So here 0.2 will become 0.4 in the next. So by using Euler's formula, y1 raised to 0 we get, it is 1.2 students. So by using this approximation we'll go for the next, that is modified Euler's formula, y1 raised to dash. y1 raised to 1 we get equal to 1.2295 students. So substitute the values properly and calculate in the calculator very clearly, you will get the answers. So for your understanding, I have also given f of x0 y0 equal to 1, directly you can substitute, and f of x1 y1 raised to 0 also you can substitute using this method. Then we go for y1 raised to 2. So by using the formula, please substitute the values correctly. So many of them in OBA1 they have just varied the little bit values. I would like to inform you that, but still have given full marks. Don't worry. At least you should get 2 to 3 digits similar. Okay. So then y1 raised to 2 is equal to we get 1.2309. Yes, by using the next approximation y1 raised to 3, write the formula correctly, y1 raised to 3, and then after substituting the values we get y1 raised to 3 is equal to 1.2309. In this you can see y1 raised to 2 and y1 raised to 3 are we are getting the same approximation. Therefore we say y of 0.2 is equal to 1.2309 students. Okay, so like this you should be able to simplify the example, students, and some more examples I would like to give you so that it will be helpful for the examination. So please, students, you can write down these examples, otherwise I will afterwards you can go through the link. So answers I have already given, so please try to tally the answers. So these are very important for the examination point of view. Is it clear, students? So I think question is clear, as well as answers also I have made it very easily available. So please try it. One thing important I would like to tell everyone that please first try to go these examples, whatever I have given and I have posted it in the class. You try to first solve at least twice before the first internal test, so that you will become perfect. And in the next, means next you can go for the any other example. So one of your friend was asking that give some more questions. So I have already provided the questions now. I think this is